On this ride along, an officer gives an ultimatum.
You can either give me your ID or go to jail.
A woman has a question.
So and what's your jurisdiction here?
And a door gets shut. On Monday, June 9th, an Orange County Sheriff's deputy responded to a disturbance call at a resort near Walt Disney World.
Couple, or they're trying to buy something.
Okay.
But they're already owners here.
Okay.
But they've been causing a scene, I guess, since 11 a.m. this morning.
Oh, geez.
Hollering, screaming.
After getting the general details, the officer made his way to the sales floor to say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you guys today?
Did all of our efforts here
We're
today.
okay.
It doesn't seem anything we've provided as resolution is working for this family.
Okay.
They've been very disruptive for about 5.5 hours.
Wow.
We have tried to solve and handle every question they've had and give them different options, access.
We're definitely not
They just
disruptive.
don't. She's recording, which is against
I'm
the law. She
recording
cannot
with
record
my
our presentations
ground.
or people or anything without
Sure.
consent. Nobody's
It's like
given
a body cam. I'm not doing
asked them
anything.
numerous times to lower the volume, lower the tension. That hasn't happened. I told them that the next step would be that we're moved from the sales floor.
Okay.
And there's nothing more we're going to do.
How long are you guys here for?
We're leaving tomorrow.
You're leaving tomorrow? Okay, so they don't want you guys on the sale floor anymore today? So,
We're not getting anywhere because we're leaving tomorrow, so we can't do this.
okay. Unfortunately,
figure it out.
regardless, they don't want you here, so here's the two options. You can either exit the sales floor now, and everything will be fine, or you'll be getting risk your trespass warnings, and you come back, you get arrested. So,
You're gonna issue me a trespassing?
if you choose to not walk out right now when they're politely asking you to, yes. If you walk out right now, there will be no paper.
Why am I?
Okay, here's the thing. I'm not going to tell you twice. This is
You don't have to tell me twice.
okay, then let's go right now.
Explain to me why I'm trespassing. I bought
If I have to walk to my truck. Okay, you got your ID? Do
here.
you have your ID?
No, you're not taking my ID. I put
You
my
can either give me your ID or go to jail.
and gave them
Let's go.
$3,000.
Go.
Honey.
Let's go.
Why
We're
are you
walking out
getting
right
in
now.
my face?
If you're not IDing yourself, you're refusing to
Why are
leave,
you getting
you have
in my
one option that can leave. I'm going to put you in handcuffs. We're going to leave.
Honey.
Let's go.
Hold on. I do not appreciate how you're
I don't appreciate you talking. Let's go.
What's your name?
My name is Deputy Radiger with the
what's
Sheriff's
your
Office. 10170. Let's go. You're not welcome here anymore.
10170.
Yes, ma'am. You can take a picture if
What's
you'd
your
like.
name?
Deputy Radiger. 10170.
Radiger.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go.
Okay. So
And what's
once
your
again,
jurisdiction here?
You're in the Orange County. You're in Orange County. I'm the Orange County Sheriff Office. They're asking you to leave a property.
I'm just trying to
Your,
hear it.
your option now is to leave. Your option now is to leave the property.
Okay, can you read me my rights as well?
You don't need to be right. You're not under arrest. Here's the deal.
So then why are you making me feel like I'm under arrest? Why are you like
You're about to be
all
if you don't leave. Your husband's being very kind to you. I would take your husband's
My
advice right
husband's
now.
very kind.
He seems very kind.
the nicest
He's
person
giving
you'll
you
ever
very
meet.
good advice right now, which is step off the sales floor where you're not welcome. If your owner's here, go back to where you own. Enjoy the rest of your night here. Okay? You're not welcome on the sales floor anymore. Okay, ma'am?
let's just talk over there because they said that
So I need
actually
processors. I'm
asked
processing
them
this.
to step outside to.
I'm processing
Sure.
this
With
right
us.
now.
Sure, but per their request, they don't want you on the sales floor anymore, which they have the right to do that. But because you guys are owners here, you're welcome to go back to what you own. You're more than welcome to go back to what you own. However, you can't be on the sales floor anymore. Okay?
I'm gonna step away.
I would step away outside.
Can you give me a minute?
No,
Give me a minute. I need to compose.
your process can be processed outside.
Very nervous right now.
You should be because you need to go outside. You're going to go to jail.
Your presence right now is very.
Okay, well, let's go outside then.
The two would argue that they weren't done with the sales conversation, but the officer didn't appear to care.
He said he was talking to us. He's still showing us.
So you guys are done.
But he was still showing us.
They're done with it. They're done with it.
So the woman tried another tactic to stay on the property.
Did you call for backup?
No,
I need a woman here. 'Cause I
no.
feel very-
You're going to need to leave is what you're going to do. Okay, so here's the deal.
I need a woman here.
Here's the deal, ma'am.
Bring me a woman.
You've been asked more times than you need to be. Sir, I'm going to recommend you take her outside now or she's going to go to jail for trespassing.
Her husband wouldn't be able to get her to walk away, so the officer told management to ask her to leave one last time in order to eliminate any ambiguity about the situation.
I'm not trespassing. I've been sitting here since 11 a.m. asking for help. I swear I am not trespassing. I've been asked to sit down and wait for help.
Okay, he's going to ask you one question.
I've tried to help you numerous times. Our director of sales tried to help you for 5.5 hours. I do not want to see you go to jail in front of the door.
If I've been helped for 5.5 hours, why would I be standing here?
We're about 5 seconds away from a 10:15, so. Oh, okay.
Leave. Once I asked you
Stop
that,
grabbing me. Can you
if you
stop doing
don't,
that to me?
if you don't,
Everyone is doing the same thing. Stop!
Okay, are you walking out right now? Are you walking out right now?
Stop! Just stop! I need all of you to stop.
Are you walking out right now or are you going to jail?
Female officer here.
Okay.
I feel very
Okay.
No, she's.
All right,
Do
so
not touch
so
me.
turn behind your back.
Do not touch me.
Nope, I'm not playing my game.
Honey. Stop, guys. please, guys.
She made her decision. How many times is she asked to leave?
Honey, come on.
Let go of me. I won't
Stop.
Let go of me.
You had every opportunity to walk away.
Oh, please, honey.
Let go of me.
Honey, oh, come here.
Stop hurting me.
No one's hurting you.
Babe, babe.
You made that decision.
Come on. Come on. No. Honey, honey. We just asked you guys. You guys just told me you were going to show it to us over there. You were going to show it over there.
Doing this to me.
Here, let's walk outside.
Ow, get off me.
You made this decision.
Off me.
Website.
Get off me.
This behavior would continue down the room, around the corner, and out the door before she changed to a new demand.
I want my lawyers! Get off me! Get off me! What are you doing?
This is called trespass
Why
after
are you-
warning.
Okay, get off me then!
Okay.
Let me get into my car!
You'll be getting into my car, ma'am.
Get off me! Get off me! Who's your mother? Get off me!
you mean against
Do
the charge?
not touch me anymore! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me!
I need you to step back at that curb right now. Is there a female out here available?
Get off me now! Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm! Let go! I'm not doing anything! You already have me handcuffed! Get
Slip that
off!
one.
Who are you? Why do you do this to people? What are you doing right now? What is wrong with
Yeah, I'm 10-4. She's secured. And then we have one of the unit pulling up. If there's three of us here, are we clear to do a pat down with you now?
I didn't do anything here.
You need the channel so you get things under control.
What do you think I could do to you? I'm 5'2". Like, what are you so angry at me for? I didn't do anything here.
Hello.
I didn't do anything.
Is your BWC on? As long as Yes. you're on, we can do a pat down then.
I want a female officer. Please let go of me.
Can you hold her aside so I can just look it up for a pat down?
Female officer, please. Please give me a female officer, please. They took my money already. Why are you guys ghosting me?
I'm using the back of my hand for a pat down.
I want a female officer
I'm not
here.
saying so.
What?
That's why there's 3 body cams on you right now.
What is not an option here?
After the backhand pat-down, the officer would adjust her cuffs while the woman asked some more questions.
Where's my phone?
I don't have
Where's my phone and where's my husband?
Here's the deal. I'm trying to adjust these
Why
and
are
make them
you
more comfortable for you.
taking me in a car when I don't know where I'm going?
If
Where's
you
my
start-
family?
I'm not going to adjust them if you're going to start locking up again.
American citizenship.
Okay.
What the
Keep the cuffs like this then. I'm trying to adjust it and make them more comfortable for
My
you.
name is Leanna,
Thank you,
and
Leanna.
I live in New York.
Okay. Well,
And why are you putting me in the back of your
because
car
you're being
when my
arrested for
family are
trespass
right
after
there?
because you're being arrested for
I
trespass
was
after
not
warning.
trespassing anywhere. I was just sitting there since 11 a.m.
If you put your arm
I'm
down,
not
I can make it less tight on you.
trespassing
Can you please
anywhere.
put your arm down so I can make these less tight on you?
You're already like strangling my arm. There's literally nothing I'm doing wrong here, and you're trying to arrest me?
Like the channel? Subscribing helps keep this narrator fully caffeinated.
That's a fancy cut here, Bolt.
You go one direction with them,
Man,
other way, and
These
all the way,
things are
all the way.
something else.
There you go.
these things are something else. They don't make them this fancy back in the day.
I know.
Hi. I'll talk to you in 1 second, okay?
Give us a second.
Can I just explain to you what's going on?
We'll get through in a second.
Go and have a seat, please.
Can you take my bag?
No.
Can you take my bag here?
Have
Can
a
you take my
seat.
bag? Can you take my bag? All my things. Can you take my stuff? I need my
We'll get to you in
things.
just a moment. We'll get
You
you
get
some
my
answers in a moment.
bag at least. That's all I'm asking.
Why are you acting like this in front of your daughter?
Because you're throwing me in the back of your car for
You're
nothing.
yelling at me like I'm acting like this? You made this decision. Now
I
sit
did
down.
not make the
Sit down like an
decision.
adult.
I was talking to Chris.
Sit down like an
And
adult.
I asked him if he would
Now
just
sit
talk
down
to
like an
me.
adult.
Okay, can you just let him have my bag? I just need
I
my
said I'll give it to
bag.
him if you sit down like an adult.
I shouldn't have to go to school tomorrow. Could you please?
Thank you, ma'am.
Stop this. Why are you doing all this?
Can we go to the other side?
Yes, please. Is your ID in your bag, ma'am?
You wouldn't believe you guys are traumatized people.
With that settled, the officer wrote up the trespass notice and explained the situation to the woman.
So I understand you guys are owners here, so you can go to what you own, okay? The sales center you're trespassed from. I just want to make sure you understand that specifically. Do you have a question about that, ma'am?
Do you even know what's happening here?
Okay, I do. You didn't leave when you were supposed to, and now you're getting arrested for trespassing.
She was charged with trespassing. The officer considered also charging her with disorderly conduct and resisting without violence, but didn't, so she'd be able to bond out that night. Had he given her the additional charges, she would have had to stay overnight to see a judge in the morning. According to court documents, she eventually entered a plea of no contest and was assigned court costs and fees of $223. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride along.